Goggles on, the world fades to blue. No more fear, I'm seeing this through. I need some time away from solid ground. I know a place where freedom can be found. So if you don't mind, I'm leaving for a while. I'll see you on the other side of that smile. Now let's go. So send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV everywhere. Oh, I'm living the dream. Each drone of my fleet's got a dedicated soul. The Mark V's my freestyle powerhouse under my control. The SEEKER 35's a demon speed is its goal. The Master 3X makes precision its role. The Arbiter 2's the king of the safe patrol. Yeah, it's all about using the right tool for the goal. Headed straight for that gap inside the tree. This is the part where the fool you see. Now I'm skimming the water, tasting the spray. Ripples below me, I'm leading the way. Skimming the waves in a risky flight. Flips and power loops in the golden light. These dives and spins, where freedom begins. Oh, I'm living the dream. Oh, I'm living the dream. My name, a crash is just a memory in the making. But right now, this moment, there's no mistaking. Don't care, we don't care. If I crash into the sea or tree, it's a memory for us. A story for you and me. We don't care. Headed for the ground. So send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV everywhere.